Neha, and today I'm going to, as my video name suggests, today I'm going to discuss about one of the product. After applying that, I'm very much fan of the sheet mask because my skin is dry, and these sheet masks provide me very much hydration. And so this is the product, and I will tell you what happened after application of this sheet mask. As per the instructions of this product, I have to apply it as any other sheet mask 15 to 20 minutes, then I have to remove it. And what happened is I applied the sheet mask. And after applying, I started getting, in within 5 minutes I started getting some kind of burning sensation. I thought it would be because of some other factor, because in many of the products sometimes I get burning, but they don't harm me. And also I thought it is an organic product. The brand is Organic Harvest, and they are claiming that it is totally organic product. So I thought maybe because they put some product in their purest form or something like that, that's why I'm getting burning sensation. But it keeps on continuing, it keeps on getting me that burning sensation. So that's why I removed this mask within 8 to 10 minutes, because after that I couldn't bear it, because the it became so much. So I thought, okay, now it's not good to keep it for very long, as it says to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. So I removed it within 8 to 10 minutes. After removing it, oh my god, I will tell you, my skin totally got red, very very red. I will share my pic here so that you people will get to know which much redness I got after applying this. And I totally got scared, because I thought, okay, now I have to go to the doctor next day, because I applied this on night time. So I thought, okay, I have to go to the doctor after this. But and my skin was burning like hell. I'm literally telling you, it was burning like hell, and I really got scared, because it was my face, not any other body part. Because the face, as you all know, face is very important. I literally got very scared. And after that, in that situation, one product came as my savior. I will tell you which product. And after applying that product, I literally got relief in about 1 hour. So this is the product which I applied after removing that Rose Organic Harvest sheet mask. So I applied this Good Vibes watermelon gel. So because this gel gives you cooling sensation after application, so I thought this is the best idea. But I applied ice cube also, 1 or 2 ice cube also. After that, applied this gel. And after application of this gel, within 1 or 1.5 hour, I got some relief on my face. And next day I saw my face was not a little bumps I got, but my face was normal, only bit bumps, because my skin. Next day I got relief. And this literally, this that's why I like Good Vibes product very much. This came as my relief, literally. This was my savior that time. And if you don't know, Good Vibes is totally a paraben, cruelty, and sulfate free product. And that's why I like these products very very much. And I always prefer paraben free, cruelty free organic product. That's why. One more thing I want to say, that it's not necessary that this product won't suit you people also, because I will say my skin is dry. So the people with dry skin, they can avoid this dry or very dry skin, they can avoid this product. But the people with the other skin types, like oily combination, they can give it a try if they want. But I won't recommend this, because I was searching for the reviews, and I got one review in Nykaa app. That girl put her photo, and she got the same redness like I got, same as mine. And I'm not sure whether you people should try this or not, but I will not recommend this product to you guys. And I bought this product from Smitten app, which is, I think, a new app. It's not a very old app, and it's a very nice app. You'll get the trial points once you register the app. So I will give you my code in description box. And I got one more sheet mask also from this brand. This is orange. This is an orange variant, Radiance Boost Organic Serum Mask in orange variant. Now I'm very scared to try this mask also, but I will try if I get burning sensation. But I will remove it in 2 to 3 minutes, or I will take some patch test. Before applying anything, take the patch test. But this is a sheet mask, so it's very difficult to take the patch test. But for other products, I will recommend you all people to take the patch test before applying any product to your skin. And one more, planning to buy this sheet mask, please, from my side, I will suggest you don't buy it. If you want to buy other variant, but don't buy this rose variant, because I saw some other variants also, and people gave nice review for those sheet masks, those other variants, but this variant is not good actually. And that's all for today. If you like my video and if you found it useful, please subscribe my YouTube channel Neha World. Follow me on my Instagram page Neha World, and don't forget to like and share my video. Soon with my another video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay beautiful, and stay gorgeous. Bye bye. Thank you.